How to turn off passcode on Microsoft OneDrive. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to OneDrive. This is the home page. Now all what you have to do is go down here, click on your profile, click on me, and now here you will find some options. Click on the settings option. After you click on settings, scroll down until you find passcode right here. Click on it and you will find it. Turn it on right here. Click on it and it will be off very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.